Fertilizer Q3 Result net profit fall 43% as EBITDA declines and margin contracts. Deepak Fertilizer reported a sharp year-on-year decline in Q3 profitability with net profit down 43.6% and EBITDA falling 27.4%. Even as revenue grew nearly 10% as margin comparison to 12.5% weightage on earning. Deepak Fertilizer and the Petrochemicals Corporation Limited and DFPCL on Tuesday, January 29, reported a 43.6% year-on-year decline in the net profit to 141.5 crore compared with 251 crore in the corresponding period last year. Revenue for the quarter rose 9.7% year-on-year to 28,830 crore from 2,579 crore in the same period a year ago, indicating the growth in the top line despite the pressure on the earnings. Our EBITDA for the quarter declined 27.4% year-on-year to 353 crore compared with 486 crore reported in the year ago period. EBITDA or margin declined to 12.5% from the 18.9% in the corresponding quarter last year. और आप लोगों ने देखा जो दीपक फर्टिलाइजर शेयर कैन डिलीवर 40% upside from current level. MK says with the buy rating. Further, the company said it is the board of directors approved the permanent closure and dismantling of the company's 300 tons per day methanol plant located at the key unit. The plant was not been operational since August 2021. The company said the methanol plant was set up in 1991 and after delivering returns and playbacks over it is the operating life has outlived its utility in terms of current economic size and efficiency requirement. The dismantling of the plants will free up land to the accommodate alternative project idea that could be undertaken to drive the brownfield and grow advantage. The move is also expected to contribute positively to environmental sustainability.